Christmas, annual commemoration of the birth of Jesus Christ. To most Filipinos, it is the most anticipated fiesta of the year. Christmas celebration of Filipinos seems to be the merriest and longest in the world. Of course, in Philippine Christmas, gift giving is always present. It is tradition already of many Filipinos to buy gifts for their loved ones. At present, everyone wants to be practical and safe, which is the reason why people love to go to bazaars and night markets.
The Tuban Night Market started last December 1, 2011. It opens from 7 o'clock in the evening and lasts up until 12 p.m. Aside from low prices, there's a bunch of stalls where you can buy a lot of things. The reason why most people came here.
Clothes, bags, shoes, watches, lighting candles, and other affordable items are available here. Despite of the hot and crowded places, people still choose to shop here. Others even came from their provinces and visit Manila just because of the night market. After the long walk, people can rest and enjoy a variety of foods.
Maraming tao kasi lang ngayon kung mag-Christmas na, kaya maraming tao. Taon-taon ako nandito kasi mura. Kahit maraming tao, kahit nakakahilo, mura yung mga bilihin. Tsaka affordable naman para sa mga bata.
Above all, it's people's true devotion to family and faith that contributes to the true celebration of Philippine Christmas. This has been Kathleen Martin from SSC News TV reporting.